I know it's incredibly difficult and it's tiring to ask people to do impossible things that take so much time to do. It's exhausting, but your life is going to be completely turned upside down when I present to you this brand new video that's going to have a money-making method that's going to earn you about $200. And what are you waiting for? Click on this button right here and... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. This is available from all over the world, and you can do it anywhere or anytime. You might be surfing across big waves in the ocean, sipping coffee at your favorite coffee shop. This method is going to be with you no matter where you go, no matter what you do. You don't need any skills. You don't need any experience. There's no problem. You don't need anything to do. Absolutely. You just need a computer or a phone or whatever device is available to you, and of course an internet connection. And it doesn't even get better than this, because I'm going to show you that it is 100% free. You're not going to be paying a single dollar, a single dime. There's only one thing that you have to do to make this work. And it's best to stay until the very end so you don't miss anything important. First and foremost, this method is effective and it's tried and it is tested. I've used it myself. And the first thing that I ever thought of is, wow, it's amazing. I've never seen something so effective. My jaw dropped to the ground. Believe it or not, this app for today is going to pay you up to $200 just to move your body around. You can walk towards the living room, to your front porch, to your back porch. You can even do some running in the morning, some errands. You can walk your dogs, just moving from one place to another, basically. Physical activities, and you're gonna earn big stacks of money in a snap of a finger. It works absolutely perfect. I've done it so many times. I've done a lot of research. Thousands of people are loving this. All of the results, I said I tried it for myself, and all I can say is amazing. You're probably thinking, doing physical activities is hard to do. It's tiring sometimes. However, accomplishing today's method is not only limited to doing extremely stressful activities. I'm 100% sure you walk to the restroom, or you walk to your room, you walk to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee. You're gonna grab your breakfast or whatever. You're gonna grab your car keys or wherever. You're gonna walk to your car, your bus stop. Literally, anything that it is that you wanna do, okay, you are gonna get paid. All you have to do is move around like a snap of your finger, and you're gonna earn a lot of money. Now, I want you to do is to download the app on your mobile phone. You are going to be using your smartphone for this method. It's going to fit into the physical activities as you carry it. I mean, can you imagine fitting a whole laptop in your pocket? Obviously not, right? So you can have your phone, okay? You can download it there. And before anything else, I want to tell you it's available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. Free to use whatever device you want. Just make sure you have data or something. And this website is called Lifecoin, okay? This app is called Lifecoin. So you can just look it up on your App Store, on your Google Play Store, download it on your mobile phone. And then if you're going to go to the Apple App Store, this is what it's going to look like. There's a ton of reviews from users all over the world. Super helpful, because you'll know what other people think of it. You'll know how it works for other people, and that's exactly what we want. Now, on this page right here, you're going to see that Lifecoin has gathered a massive rating of 4.6 out of 5. And don't tell me that's not good, because that is beyond amazing, okay? Considering that this app is on average a 4-star app, then it's obviously amazing. People are more than satisfied with Lifecoin. Now, in addition, you can also browse through the reviews. Again, if you want, you can see the positive reviews. It's amazing to be able to access these. So thank you to the people who left their reviews to let us know how great it is. Before anything else, if you are having fun with today's video, then make sure you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leave some suggestions down below, and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. You can also actually view the app description on the same page to find out everything that you want to know. There's no way this app is a scam, okay? It's legit, it's real, and before you get deeper into the app, you have to watch today's video first to really understand everything. Now, let me show you some cool stuff about Lifecoin. If you can see, you can simply get paid to just walk, and like I said, it's available iOS and Android. So I better not see of you comment down below complaining not being accessed, because it is. Now, everything is literally on a silver platter for you guys. You're basically spoon-fed. Now, as we scroll down, you're gonna see that you can redeem points for amazing prices. But before we continue, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. To quote what they say here on the page, your life coins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more, and we're always adding new items, so check daily to see our latest prices. Aside from that, they have also featured items right here that are in the spotlight as the main rewards, and you can earn just by walking with the life coins. As you focus your attention right here, you're gonna see that you can win an iPhone, a $100 PayPal gift card, a DJI Spark drone, and a $50 Amazon gift card. And based on these rewards alone, it's obviously not a joke. I mean, these are major big rewards. I mean, where else can you get an iPhone for free? Where else can you get these big amount gift cards? Nowhere, literally. This app contains everything good in the world. There's no way you're gonna want to turn away from this opportunity. Now, you're gonna find out how this entire thing works, okay? Like I just mentioned, you're gonna turn your daily walks into mining sessions. You're gonna make money. You can do this by following this right here, which says collect life points with every GPS confirmed stop. The more steps you take, the more money you can make. So basically walking. It's literally all you have to do to accomplish a task right here on this platform. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You're gonna be able to earn so much money, and basically that's everything for the entire video. But before I officially end the video, I just want to show you guys a little something that's gonna boost your income opportunities, okay? I know you guys love to go on vacation. I mean, vacations are amazing. It's relaxing, peace of mind, and everything. And you're gonna go see the Northern Lights in Norway, maybe go to the lovely beaches of the Maldives, maybe go to fun festivals in Brazil or the mountain ranges in Alaska. It's a privilege to be able to go on these vacations, but does not mean that you have to stop making money while you're on these wonderful vacation tourist spots. I just want you to know that you can bring your phone with you everywhere you go in the world. Keep your Lifecoin app active throughout this whole trip. There's no limit to what you can earn because you're moving, okay? Non-stop. So every single step you take, you can make money from that. Life Points is gonna make money for you. It's gonna pay you just to walk or run or hike or whatever you want to do. It's literally mind-blowing because there's really no end to making money. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you comment down below what you loved, your comments, your recommendations, your suggestions, and I will see you in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.